Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are going to do is function to check singly linked list is palindrome or not. As you all are aware of palindrome, like what is palindrome? Let me tell you once again like what is palindrome. Like suppose we are having a number 1221. If I reverse this number, reverse of this number is 1221, which is equal to this number, that is palindrome. If we are having 1 2 3, in if I reverse 1 2 3 and I am having is 3 2 1, which is not equal to this, which is not means palindrome. Okay, we have to check this palindrome for the linked list. And how do we check for a linked list? As you can see the example here, we are having a linked list in which we are having an element 1221, and we have to check if I reverse this linked list, the reverse of this linked list is 1221, which is equal to the original linked list, that is called a palindrome. Okay, now we are creating a function, like you can say we are returning suppose a boolean value, bool, in which we are getting is head. Okay guys, now I will tell you like what I'm going to do. I'm copy this linked list in a stack. Okay, when I copy this linked list in a stack, how it will be get copied? Like first element is 1 goes inside, then 2, then 2, then last element. When I pick out, it's like 1, then 2, then 2, then obvious it is doing a reverse. I told you in a stack video also. If you haven't seen this stack video, you can go back and see the stack video. That stack is basically used to reverse a linked list also, or a string, or any number you want to reverse. You can use stack also, like an array number. Okay guys, so what we will going to do, we will going to paste this whole linked list into the stack. First I will define a node s equals to head. I'm writing the conditions with another color so that you will be aware. Before this you have to define a stack also. I'm defining stack at here. At here you have to define a stack, and that stack is like stack int s. You have defined stack at here. Wait, I have defined a stack name r here. Now I'm writing a condition to copy the value of this linked list into the stack. S not equals to null. What we are going to do here is s dot push s not, it's r dot push s of data. Okay guys, we are pushing the s of data into r, and then we have to do is s equals to s of next. Okay, this will copy the linked list into the stack. Now what we have to do is we have to check now that reverse this whole, like we have to check with the linked list with the stack. The linked list is having 1 2 2 1 and stack is having a reverse part. So obviously the stack and a linked list have the same length, so I am writing this for head now, head not equals to null. Okay, now I am having condition at here is like int I equals to, it's like r dot top. As you already know, top will return the first element of the stack, and then we are having is r dot pop. Pop will delete the first element in the stack. Okay guys, you are aware of these things. Okay, if head of data not equals to r, or you can say like I, then it will return false. and if then we have to do is head equals to head of next, and then outside this while we have to return. Okay, we have to return true. If that condition is not true, obviously it has to return it some value, that is a true value. Now let me explain you this program, how this program is working. Suppose in linked list I am having 1 2 3 and like 3 2. Okay guys, I'm having this in linked list, these elements in linked list. Okay guys, now I'm putting these element into the stack. Now how this element will go into the stack, it will go like 1, first element will go first, then 2, then 3, then 3, and then we are having a 2 element. This is the top element, so this is copied in reverse. What it will do here, it will copying this at here. Now we are getting the top element. The top element first is 2, then it is deleting the top element, then the stack we are having is 3 3 2 1. Before that we are having is 2 3 3 2 1. Okay guys, now it is checking head of data. Head of data is first element. First element is equals to I is having a 2 value. 1 not equals to 2, as you already know, so it will go on false and return the false value. If it is like 1 1 3 and 2 1, okay, 1 3 and 2 1, it is something like this. So how it will check for the palindrome value? Now let me show you. Here it is having 1 and it is having right now is 1 2 3 2 1. Nothing is deleted. Deleted is in the pop side. Now the first element deleted, the elements we are left with is 2 3 1. Okay, what it is doing, it is checking with like head of data not equals to like I. So what it is doing, like I is having a 1 and head of data, which is the first element, is 1 not equals to 1. The condition is like true, like false, sorry, the condition is false, so it will go not, it will not go inside this, it will go like head of equals to next. Now we are having a 2. When we are checking for the 2, like it is equal to 2 or not, it is equal to 2, then it will check for 3, then it will check for 2 and 3, then it will return is true value, because if condition will never be true, then head will reach till last and it will return the true value. Now guys, you are able to know like how to do a palindrome, how to check a single linked list is palindrome or not. Thank you guys.